Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Marathon Mondays with Mal. This is a pre-recorded episode, and I'm going to take this off because I'm socially distant. This is a pre-recorded episode. It's about an hour before we go live, maybe a little bit earlier. I've got something going on when we're supposed to be live, so Armand and I are in here a little bit early, and we're bringing you a brand new pre-owned coach. A coach back with Marathon, Coach 825, a double slide H. I'm excited to show you. We saw Coach 1030 recently. 1030 sold. Congratulations to the new owners of 1030. We're going to be doing a remodel show, so stick with us to see that. We're going to show a before on 1030 again, and then kind of an idea of, at the end, what the reimagining was by the family that purchased 1030. Now, let's get with 825. This is a really cool coach. You need to reach out to me if you're interested in upgrading, if you're interested in getting into maybe your first marathon. Coach 825 is going to be a great opportunity for you. malw@marathoncoach.com is my email. I'm going to show you a couple of storage opportunities with 825 outside, then we're going to go inside and take a look at some of the cooler things about that. Armand and I left bay 1 and 2 open because the storage in here is incredible. Double slide outs right here. Lots of room, you guys. Lots of room. Pardon the light. There's not a lot of light to see in there. Double slide outs in bay 2. But the clothing storage in this coach is incredible. Now, take a look at this. Never seen this before. Remove those pins. Take a look at this wardrobe. Double-sided 4-foot wardrobe on both sides. This coach, as we speak, is being inspected by Dave Bash. As it's such a new coach back to our inventory. It is a consignment coach, so 825, you guys. This is going to be a fun coach. And that storage is so creative and so, I mean, can you imagine how much clothes you can get in there? It's pretty cool. All right, let's go inside. I'm going to show, oh no, let's go to the other side of the coach. Thanks, Armand. I read your mind there. I want to show you this over here. On the other side of that wardrobe, take a look at this. More clothing storage, or just more storage, period. Doesn't have to be clothing. These are really large drawers that open all the way out. You got 3 on each side. And then before we started recording, we opened this up right here. It's like a tray for setting items out. Really cool. Great storage. I'm just so impressed by the owners who built this coach. It's, when you are talking custom, if you need clothing storage, Marathon can accommodate that when you're doing storage. How many times have I said that, the word storage, already today? We'll get back to that. All right, as we move into 825, great hardwood floors, as you can see right there, as we're going to just bypass the cockpit altogether, come into the coach. You'll see a little bit of Dave Bash's stuff in here. Here's the original owner's manual. That's always cool to see. And Dave Bash's Die Hard 4.1, Beyond the Action. He's testing out the televisions in here, so that's one of the things that he does is he brings in a DVD or a Blu-ray and tests all the TVs and all the Blu-ray players. Okay, so on the driver's side, you've got a jackknife sofa with that dog leg so that someone can sit here. Something that you would see in this era of coach, and I'm a big fan of that also, because not only does it add one additional seat to the jackknife portion of the salon driver's side sofa, but it just gives you more opportunities to have more room. This is the dinette. It's a fixed dinette. It also has a leaf that fits in here, but you've got the 2 chairs and, of course, a large occasional table and a recliner right there. Now, something Dave Bass showed me. First, natural light. Take a look at this. All this natural light in here. That really stood out to me. If we had that bay door open out front, you'd really be able to see all this natural light that comes in through this salon. And that also continues to over in the galley. But one of the cool things about this that Dave Bass showed me, and Armand, you might want to come over here to see this. Look at this curio cabinet, you guys. The decor in there is really cool. I'm not quite sure if it is original, but take a look at this. With the push of a button, a TV comes up. Is that not the coolest thing ever? I'd never seen that. But, and also, you know, of course, you can upgrade that TV in there. But if I push the button again, down comes your decor. So if you're not using it for watching TV, you've got your decor. And of course, the curio completely opens up and you can have, you can change, alter, discuss, what have you, of your decor. That's a really neat feature. I had never seen that in a coach, so I got really excited about that. Into the galley, split galley of this era coach in this H3 double slide. The stovetop and the Advantium 120, or the microwave oven convection oven, is on the driver's side. Lots of space here if you need it, or of course the burner tops here. And take a look at the size of these drawers. There's some stuff in these drawers, but the drawers are massive under here. Great for storage. Sticking with that storage concept as we've been talking about, lots of room here and below on the side of the refrigerator. Big refrigerator too. Something we saw also in 1030, which I mentioned earlier. Dishwasher drawer here. Very large sink, and it's Corian. Gotta love the covers, having good covers. It's a split sink, so you've got a really large sink. A lot of people prefer that split sink, and Corian is nice so that it just continues into the surface. Storage above and below. Let's head on into the midship through the S curve of this floor plan. Vanity with lots of storage. There's your shower, and then of course the water closet or the bathroom over here on the driver's side. Hardwood floors throughout the coach, which is definitely an upgrade from the original build of this coach. Closet here on the driver's side. On the curb side or the patio side, washer dryer in this. And of course mirrors, which just helps with the overall aesthetic of the rooms. Just if it were all laminate, it might feel a little bit more closed off, but because it's mirrored, you've got additional room to the feel. Television is behind this smoked plexi right there. Good natural lighting, and what you'll see, no curios on either side of the bed. It's windows, so it allows for a lot of natural light. And the windows that open, and you'll see that really well, on the curbside. Large windows that open. Storage bays down here, and of course the jump seat for getting ready in the morning. Right there. You got the bed right there, which is a fixed bed. And then, just when you think it's all over, you've got a closet with hanger bar above and below on either side of this 3-drawer storage. So this coach really, this floor plan and this coach bring a lot to the table for you. 130,000 miles, H3 double slide, coach 825. Some really unique features about it, and no lack of storage, that's for sure. Good size shower here, and good size refrigerator there. Commercial appliance for the home. Anyway, everybody, that is it for this morning. Thank you so much. Apologies for this being a pre-recorded, and big thanks to Armand for coming in and working with me this morning. Usually we go 9 o'clock, we go live, and I know we're coming up on, gosh, we're getting close to 200 episodes, you guys. 200 Marathon Mondays in a row. 200 Mondays without missing a Monday, and it's always my honor to bring you this show. There's a lot of you out there who are marathon owners. There's a lot of you who were marathon owners, and there's a lot of you who want to be marathon owners. And this show is for all of you. This show is for you to help you make that decision and why you would want to upgrade, why you want to be in a marathon when you are making your decision on a luxury RV. I hope that Marathon Mondays helps you make that decision in purchasing a marathon, whether it be a pre-owned like this Coach 825 or a new one like we see on the show. Be yourself and do good things. Thanks so much for hanging out with us this morning, and we'll see you next Monday.